Hey guys, come with me to install my new running boards. Here I'm just getting ready and laying out my hardware. There's no drilling necessary to install these. They fit directly into the existing holes. I was able to install these by myself, using my legs to hold the boards while I put in the bolts. Once I got everything lined up, I started to place my hardware. Just be sure not to tighten them yet. Each bolt is secured with a flat washer, split lock washer, and then a flange nut. Once all 6 bolts on the side are installed, you're ready to add the 3 underneath. These 3 bolts go into existing holes as well. There's no nut for these ones, just the bolt, a flat washer, and split lock washer. Again, be sure not to fully tighten these yet either. You may still need to adjust the board so all 3 line up. Once all 9 bolts are in place, you can then go back around and tighten everything. This entire install took me a total of 40 minutes, from start to finish, completely by myself. I want to give a huge thanks to Oedro for sending us these awesome running boards.